Hello, my name is Hailey Bennett. I'm a staff engineer at Intelligent Concrete, and today I want to take you along with me to a heavy civil construction site. This is a highway paving site in eastern Colorado being constructed by Castle Rock Construction Company. They are paving two sides of a highway, 14 miles long, 38 feet wide, and 12 inches thick. That totals over 208,000 cubic yards of concrete. Castle Rock was kind enough to take me around and teach me about this huge operation. CRCC is a contractor leading the way in innovation and sustainability. They use recycled concrete aggregate every chance they get, and they're utilizing many methods to reduce their carbon footprint. A large portion of greenhouse gases produced on a construction site are directly related to the transportation and processing of materials. At this site, Castle Rock created a local sand mine to source their aggregates, greatly decreasing the need for massive trucks to make the long haul to rural Colorado. At other sites, they have on-site crushers to turn their reclaimed pavements into RCA, reducing the need for all the manufacturing and long truck trips often involved in RCA concrete. Castle Rock also utilizes mobile batch plants on their sites. As the project progresses, they move the batch plant closer to the current paving area, decreasing the distance their concrete-filled trucks must drive. I got to go behind the scenes in the batch plant control room, and I witnessed just how consistently they're producing quality concrete. And this is no small feat, as they're pushing out 3,000 to 4,000 cubic yards of concrete every single day. Their high-tech paver is closely monitored to ensure it's working efficiently and providing the smoothest ride possible. This improves the pavement vehicle interaction, or PVI. Pavement vehicle interaction is another massive contributor to concrete's carbon footprint. Essentially, the smoother the pavement is, the less gas required to drive across it, reducing the greenhouse gases produced in the use phase of its life. I feel so fortunate to have gotten to spend a day with this incredible company. I learned so much and hope to visit more concrete paving sites soon. I'd like to give a special thanks to Emily Rideout, Chris Shoemaker, and Amy Brooks for their experience and drive in reducing concrete's environmental impact. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete, beat asphalt.